Yabantu asehlalani phansi ke sanhlanu phansi wethu waze wasenzela iqiniso urhulumente waseGhana bantasi. Waze wasenzela iqiniso urhulumente waseGhana bantasi namhlanje OR Tambo International Airport bekuthe kuvalwe ngezayizayi emnyango bantase kuthiwa akho terminal ibingagcwelanga ngabantu baseGhana bantase besithi bayagoduka besithi thina siyagoduka urhulumente wethu uthe uzosithatha. Niyakhumbula mos into nokubana ndanibalisela ndathi into nokubana uthi urhulumente waseGhana uzabathatha nga-300 so i-300 yokuqala ke bantase ibinamhlanje yaqonda anyani bafika ekufikeni kwabo urhulumente waseGhana ke ngoku norhulumente wase-South Africa basebenzisana into nokubana aba baseGhana bacheck into nokubana lo mntu ngumntu waseGhana nanyanyani okanye liqhophololo lomntu yaqonda. Then wase-South Africa acheke yena urhulumente into nokubana kanye lo mntu ebelapha eSouth Africa njani ufike njani efike nini kusenzeka ntoni bantase anyani baya kulaa queue ke ngoku utyhu yaseGhana bayoverify i-citizenship yabo yaseGhana. Xa befika banikeza impepha anyani tshekishe laa mntu waseGhana athi xantsi hayi nyani ngowaseGhana lo amdlulisele kulo wase-South Africa. Lo wase-South Africa athi hayi mani kudala lapha thamye kudala ndilapha kuthiwa unexesha lingakanani lapha fondini hayi 15 years oko wawungene nge-visitors visa oko wawungene uzovizitha ne-15 years ngoku lapha uthuke lo mntu wase-South Africa lo uprocessor base-South Africa kanti hayi bantase ngamaqalela lawo ngamaqalela wabatshekisha bantase bonke boyi-300 kulaa 300 i-290 yonke bantase asiyazi into nokubana isahlelele ntoni apha abanazi documents ezibonakalayo bantase abanye oko babengene ngendlela right but ba-overstaya abanye bangiki abaziwa noba bangene njani in fact abanye ke mhlawumbi andiyazi noba nqumla elentozini into le emlanjeni noba banqumle emlanjeni baxwayana banqumle emlanjeni bazongena apha eSouth Africa abaziwa into nokubana bafike njani apha 290 of them ii-documents zabo azikho fandiwani only 10 abapasile i-test into nokubana ewe ndingwaseGhana ewe ndise-South Africa legally but ngoku ndifuna ugoduka only 10. And ke ngoku urhulumente waseGhana uthi no ndizawuphinda ndibuye ndizothatha enye 300 yam. Bantase nto ababamba isandla yathi it was good doing business with you. It was good doing business with you. Ndiyabahlonipha abantu baseGhana sukela namhlanje yinto le nto iNigeria engasobi ingakho ifunde kwezinto ezinhle zenziwa zezinye iikhantri khifunde ooPakistan bakhe bafunde bakhe babone ooEthiopia bakhe babone into nokubana ezinye iikhantri zenza ntoni ngabantu bazo. Ndisho uCupcake nathi angasilanda xa sinogxothwa eSouth Korea xa sinogxothwa eSouth Korea I'm sure angasilanda thini hayi bo abantu bade bagxothwe bathi abayindawo yintoni loo nto bantase sana and nina sinijongile nina fikile mbalula and sana ndifuna ukuthi into nokubana sizayenza ibonakale indawo esime kuyo xa kufikelele ixesha lovota. Yabo nanku November sabe sivota kwezi zibhedlele neekliniki zethu sivota. Ndifuna into nokubana ngoNovember sinibonise into nokubana guys liphelile lo xesha benicinga fanele xa kuthetha nina iCountry yama ithi ngci phelile lo xesha fixa phelile ndizongibanga Razzmatazz liphelile lo xesha nani nina mbuyiseni indlozi phelile lo xesha guys phelile lo xesha lethu ngoku into nokubana country yethu sithathe sibeke apha ezandleni zethu if abantu abayi-300 290 of them bafike nje apha ngendlela engaqondakaliyo nifune sithule nisixelele into nokubana ku-incite violence kwathini bantase akuzubulawa mntu qha abantu bazawuhamba one way or the other abantu bazawuzihambela one way or the other yinto endiyithethayo kuni leyo sinijongile siyayibona le nto nizama uyenza naqhela man guys yazi i-politicians like zaqhela into nokubana it's either ngabo or the highway hayi yeyi ningasitashi kule game, ningasitashi kule game. Sazi into thina ngepolitics, into esiyaziyo into yokubana apha sihleli nee-graduates ezingaphangeliyo, abantwana basemagwethu noba bayazama, umuntu uyahamba ufuna uhamba ayothengisa izinto phaa, iibhizinesi zigcwele, bayathakathwa kwezi stand abantwana basemakwethu. Ndinixelele ke mna ke into beningayazi, because nina nifumana imali oko ndazalwa ufikile Mbalula eminister. Oko ndazalwa andikhumbula ufikile Mbalula engeyominister, andikhumbuli. Nakulaa reshuffle kaZuma wayemane esinta. Nakulaa reshuffle kaMsholozi wayemane esinda, emane ephuma i-minister yento ethile, ngomso abuya iminister yento ethile. Guys, can you mean in fact retire, because sizanima apha niza kusifila and ke ngoku niza kusifila wesike xa siyobekwe ex bethu phaa. Ni-understand into yokubana into ethethwa ngumntu ngomlomo wakhe makayibale ngoku. Wabaleni ngoku amazwi xa nithetha nathi ngoku. Yayiva loo nto? Wabaleni. And abantu asesibathi jep sibajonge bonke aba bathetha izinto ezininzi, singabali bali xa siyovota. Never
300 Ghanaians boarded a plane back to Ghana today, and out of the 300, only 10 were legal. So it means 290 of them were illegal. That on its own should tell you, when it comes to ratios, the percentage of illegal immigrants that we have in South Africa. This is the song we have been singing all along, and people have been gaslighting us, calling us names, calling us xenophobic, when we are saying there is a crisis in the country. The whole situation has always been about documentation, and people have been taking this story and making it about something else. When you look at some of the characters, you realize why they failed in marriage, because they are not good listeners. They go all over the place where they can't even deal with the subject at hand. You realize that even in their marriages, when they argued, they were all over the place. And that's why I continue to say, people that reason like this, some of them have to be someone's husband, some of them have to be someone's wife. And then when you realize, right, you can't stick to a subject. You go all over the place. Currently, your wife, Harry, I don't like it when you come late. No, Mara, you don't cook for me. You don't want to. Hey, the kids, this, I don't like it when you come back home late. No, Mara, men don't get respected. Men are not supported. I don't like it when you come back home late. You can't stick to the subject. And that's why some of you little nyalo little truths. Oba wena batho bara sitse ba ngotse di paragraph mo Facebook. Check gore mtshita mo sna ro hlopha ke lenyalo sneng. No wonder ka se khone dula go lenyalo, because reasoning capacity ya gago I reason like motho o ka dulang lenyalo. The whole issue here has always been about documentation. You go all over the place talking about everything else except for documentation. Listening is a skill. Sticking to the subject. When you argue about something, you listen and you respond to what is being said. Don't go telling us about things we never mentioned. And this plane going to Ghana showed you the crisis we are dealing with. Guys, when there's a budget speech, the Minister of Finance gives a budget speech, they are talking about a budget that fits people that have been documented. The budget goes according to, we've got these amount of people that are documented, so this is the budget that we have for these people. So when you're gonna come here and only 10% of you are documented, 90% is not documented, how are we going to function as a country? But these ones that write paragraphs and call us names don't understand that aspect. And this is what we've been raising and crying about on social media, even marching on the streets. Those 290 Ghanaians don't have rare skills. They were just here to enjoy our economy. When a Ghanaian who's not documented comes and does the business that I do as a business person, I'm not a 95 person, and we sell the same amount of units, I have to pay tax, he does not have to pay tax. And that's why we find them in the most expensive estates of this country. Guys, if I make 100,000, do you know how much tax I pay? And then you find the very same person who does what I do, making 100,000 clean. And then they are the ones who call us useless, and we are South African men who don't even have money. When people just enter our country and just enjoy our economy while we are watching. This is what we've been talking about for the past 6 months now. We would like to congratulate the president of Ghana for hearing our cry as a people and taking action and understanding that it is love through and through. It is just people that want a functional country. It's got nothing to do with hate or xenophobia. So we thank and salute the president of Ghana for doing what he did. And obviously, we are happy that he's helping those brothers of ours who went back to Ghana to stand on their feet when they get there. Because the last thing that we need is for them to get to those countries and struggle. And that's why we're calling on to every African leader to call its people back and assist these people. They've got enough money and capacity to do that. Let's not be fooled by these governments and presidents. We are not saying people must go and suffer. We don't care. We want these leaders to take accountability and help their citizens.
We teti June kanti ubani na ukuhamba bona bazohamba futhi sebeqalile bayahamba ifikileke indiza izolanda abantu baseGhana kuthiwa nje indiza ezothatha abantu abawu300 behambe bebhekele eGhana qala ekade ifikile kwafika oyedwa ukuthi hayi mina ngicela ningithathe nihambe kuthiwa ke kulokhu ke bayigcwalisile list yaba nabantu abawu300 kulabo bantu abawu300 bawu30 kuphela abahambile baya elindela ukukhombisa ukuthi cha balungiselela ukuhamba kwabo kwazothi abawu10 kuphela babo out of 300 abathe bebacheck babathola ukuthi banamaphepha okuba la eSouth Africa okusho ukuthi all the other 290 people bala eSouth Africa illegally nizothi nginamanga buka la izwele wena
mandate. But in terms of other challenges, what did you experience?
Well, what we have found is that of the 300 individuals that are on that list, we only found 10 of them being legal in the country. The rest of them are all illegal without documents or actually not complying, have been overstayed. But there are some sort of sanctions that needs to be taken, and the Department of Home Affairs will indeed make sure that those are
This
implemented.
is SABC News. Yeah, akinto khukho SABC News lo. Live. Only 3% wabantu abakhona abebe namaphepha kulaba abazihambisile ukuthi ayicela nesihambise nisibuyisele emakhaya. Yingakho uma kuthiwa abantu aba illegal abala eSouth Africa bawu3 million bese kuthiwa thatha lo number uyithi times 10 uma ufuna ukwazi ukuthi bangakanani abantu abala okufanele ngabe abekho la.
Hayi cha no so hlezi nje sisebenzisa nje ama platforms ethu kwi platform yami angisiyena umuntu othanda ukukhuluma ngepolitiki nezomthetho kakhulu ngoba ngisebenzisane nazo kakhulu in my own line of work so angithanda ukukhuluma nazo ngazo lezo zinto kwi platform yami kodwa lena into idinga ukusunyelwa sizoloke siyikhuluma lento until we are blue in the face nje bakithi ngeke size siyithule ngoba irongo akho umuntu esimzondayo kodwa nje lento irongo nakho nje manje laba bebendiza besiya eGhana beba u300 kutholakala ukuthi bawu10 kuphela bebesemthethweni ebebela ngokusemthethweni bawu10 kuphela out of the 300 lokho kuyacaca ukuthi there was criminality going on here that statistics alone shows ukuthi there was criminality going on na kwaphinda futhi 34-year-old Nigerian man was arrested with ama drugs eBalfour labantu bafike bamosha ezweni lethu bela ngongekho semthethweni badayisa ama drugs prostitution you name it they are involved in it sizoba tracer kanjani masebenza bonke lobugebenge bebebenzela and into ebhlungu kulento lena is that many South Africans are siding with the government kulento le ekhulunywayo yokuthi labantu abahambe kwayithina nje siyaphoxa angifuni uqamba manga kwayithina siyaphoxa ngake ngayenza enye video ngathi nje uyabona the reason why kubheda kanje ukuthi ube activist la eSouth Africa is because your own people will turn against you ukulela umuntu omnyama nje is usukudlala nje ngesikhathi usuku brave nje kwangempela ngoba the same umuntu omnyama uyena ozophinda kuphikise futhi athi hayi uyenzelani leyo nto asikucelanga ibhlungu leyo nto leyo ngoba nakho baningi abantu bayamgxeka uJacinta bayagxeka much too much bayamgxeka ubaphakela imithakathi bayigxeka yonke nje lento leyo ukuthi nje wrong iyabheda cabanga mfethu lapho kulwelwa nina nezingane zenu angeke nje ngize ngithinteke ama politician ngoba vele bona akho ingane zabo ezifunda ema public school akho ma relatives wabo aya ema-public hospital abahlangene nje nezinto eyi-public yonke into yabo i-private vele bahlala kwama-gated fences wabo abazilutho labo nje ayikho nje into efanele ngabe bayikhuluma nje vele uyabo njengoba bebhizi benemlomo kanganje ombalula nje fanele ngabe bayathula benobalo uNdlozi yabo umuntu angazi nje i-PhD nje ngathi sinikwa nombani nje kule insuku but anyway asikho lapho sibuyela ekutheni bafethu lokhu okwenzakala elizweni lethu kurongo and we have to use ama platforms ethu ukuthi sikusho lokho even if sikusho every day ukuthi kurongo akekho umuntu okufanele ngabula ngokungekho semthethweni aphinde azoganga lana ingane zethu ibhizi ngama drugs nawubona amaphara lapha yanethandazelo baphokela umthakathi the other day ukuthi manganani phelile ama drugs ingane zethu prostitution yonke into human trafficking udayisa ukudla expire yonke into ebhedayo ezweni lethu and the people that are fighting against this and say ukuthi no you guys are not fighting against the real problem is this gonna change unemployment nana sizola kanjani nalezi inkinga ezivele sibhekane nazo kusafanele sibhekane nani and share the little that we have nani sizola kanjani nalezo zinto do you think we don't know where to direct those grievances to lawo lezi izinto zama unemployment nazo zonke amanye ama issues esinawo we do know we are very much aware kodwa sikwazi ukudila nalezo zinto while we are dealing with these people who are here illegally on the ground yini nzima lana ayicha.
So the first batch of Ghanaians, 300 Ghanaians, are scheduled to leave today. 300. Out of the 300, guess how many are documented?
But in terms of other challenges, what did you experience?
Well, what we have found is that of the 300 individuals that are on that list, we only found 10 of them being legal in the country. The rest of them are all illegal without documents or actually not complying, have been overstayed. But there are some sort of sanctions that needs to be taken, and the Department of Home Affairs will indeed make sure that those are implemented.
Because now they are leaving, what penalties are going to be meted out to these people?
So any person in terms of the Immigration Act that overstays in the country obviously will be banned from the country and not be allowed to come back into the country. So that is on the side of the immigration legislative provisions.
The government of Ghana says that they're going to repatriate another group after this one. So in terms of compiling a list, have they started compiling another list?
So I just had an engagement with the ambassador also this morning and indicated that it is critical that we have that information by today, so that we make sure that we do not get ourselves in a sort of similar situation. There is a flight on Sundays. We hope to have this next list verified by latest on Saturday to make sure that there is compliance on Sunday.
Only 10 people out of 300 were documented. Isn't that what we are fighting? And then we'll still have some people trying to gaslight us, trying to say, you know what, we are not having an illegal immigration problem. We are not. We are the crazy ones. 10 out of 300 are documented.
Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. More people are uploading a government yalapha Ghana for coming organize a plane to collect bantu babe South Africa. And people are saying ukuthi uyayibona corruption ngokuthi ngakanani, because tell me why kule 300 people only 10 of them were legal and the rest they were illegal. Bahleli South Africa ngalokungekho emthethweni, bahleli ngalokungekho emthethweni. Uyabona nje ukuthi system yethu iyabhetha, government uyabhetha, because kanjani abantu abangakabahleli. So imagine labantu abala South Africa labagqwele ukuthi baningi kangakanani ngokuthi inqumbi yabo bahleli ngalokungekho emthethweni. Only few are legal. South African people are saying ukuthi yane saze savelelwe South Africa. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.